Season 2 of Talk Travel with Glen, exploring travel trends for 2025. Hey, travel lovers! Glen here, and I have some exciting news. Season 2 of Talk Travel with Glen is officially kicking off, and you won't want to miss our very first episode. Join me on January 8th, 2025, as we dive into the amazing world of travel trends for 2025. Are you curious about which destinations are set to become the next big thing? What should you prioritize when planning your adventures this year? In this episode, we'll explore the hottest travel trends from eco-conscious travel to tech innovations that are reshaping the way we explore the world. I'll also share expert insights and predictions that will inspire your wanderlust and help you make the most of your travels this year. Whether you're dreaming of remote beaches or vibrant cities, Season 2 is here to bring you all the tips and tricks you need to plan your next adventure. So be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform and get ready for a fantastic travel season with me. Follow us on social media at Travel with Glen for sneak peeks and maybe even a chance to share your own travel experiences. I want to hear your stories. Get ready to explore with me. Tune in on January 8th for the first episode of Season 2. Let's make this year an unforgettable travel year. See you then.